Yes, buying a lottery ticket is an excellent idea. The chances of you hitting the big one, though, are so small as to be excluded. However, every time you buy a ticket, you are helping the good causes the lottery companies support. Surely that is reward enough, isn't it? And always remember, if you buy a ticket, you probably won't win, but if you do not buy a ticket, you definitely will not win.
I buy one ticket a week for $2. I have no false hopes that I'll win, but it's fun to daydream about it. I make very good money, so it isn't like I can't afford to get the baby shoes. On the other hand, I have a friend who spends $200 a month. He does not make good money. He's convinced that if he keeps playing, he will eventually win, and no explanation as to the odds against it gave any impact. He's been playing for 30 years. The people who run lotteries love people like my friend.
It's just as good an idea as spending $200 on a casino, or a day skiing, or a trip to the zoo is. If you have fun playing the lottery and you can afford to lose $200, it's no different than spending $200 on any other form of entertainment. On the other hand, if you're asking if it's a wise investment, and you're asking for financial advice, I think you already know the answer to that question.